When the supervisor was walking around the shed, he noticed a crack in one of the pillars. He called a worker and asked him to weld it. The worker immediately noticed an oil can near the pillar. He moved it away from the welding site for safety. Then he brought the welding machine, barricaded the area, and tried to connect the power cord to the wall socket. But the cord was short. So he brought in an extension cord drill and finally connected the welding machine. As the worker was finishing the weld, an explosion rocked the area. Could this accident have been avoided? First, while moving the oil can, he placed it near an electrical socket. Inflammable materials should always be stored at a safe distance away from the electrical outlets. There is always a chance of spark from the electrical outlets, which can lead to fires. Second, while using the extension cord, he did not unwind the spool. During operations like welding, the electrical cords get heated due to high current. To prevent excessive heat building in the cord, the extension cord drill should always be unwound before using. Using a wound extension cord can lead to accidents like this. Simple steps to prevent accidents during welding. Remove extra object from the surrounding. Barricade the area. Place the work in progress sign. If you need an extension cord, unwind the spool. Use the right PPEs. Safety starts with you.